In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flyer in Canva. We'll start on Canva's homepage and head to the Templates section. This is the fastest way to get a solid foundation. Pick a flyer design that matches your theme and audience, something that already has the layout and vibe you want to build on. Once your template opens, customize the background. Click the canvas, then change the background color in the toolbar. Choose a color that supports your message and provides good contrast for text. Next, open the text panel from the left sidebar and add a headline. Type your main message, then refine it by choosing a font that fits your tone. Bold and modern for events, elegant for professional notices. Adjust the text color so it stands out clearly. Resize the text by dragging the corner handles and reposition it where it's most impactful, usually near the top or centered. Add a second text box for a subheading or supporting details. Type your words, change the text color to complement your headline, and then explore effects. Select the hollow effect to create a stylish outline look. Resize it to balance with your headline. Now duplicate that second text. Reduce the transparency of the duplicate to create depth, then duplicate again and lower the transparency further. Repeat as needed to create a layered echo behind your main text. When you're happy, align and recenter all the text so everything looks neat and intentional. Alignment guides will help you snap things into place. Bring in a photo by uploading it or choosing one from Canva. Select the image and use Background Remover to isolate your subject. Note that this feature may require a paid plan. Resize and position the cutout where it works best with your layout. Right-click to open the Layers panel so you can manage stacking order, then bring the image to the front if it's hidden behind text. If needed, select a text layer and drag it on top of the image to keep your message visible. Open elements and add a graphic that enhances the design, something like a subtle smoke effect or abstract shape. Adjust the graphic by scaling, rotating, and nudging it into place so it frames your content without overpowering it. If it covers your text too much, send that element backward in the layer order until everything reads clearly. Give the flyer a final pass for spacing, contrast, and hierarchy, and you're done with a clean,